Today we are going to show you how to repair a drywall, or show you a drywall hole repair hack.
A donut!
No, BB.
Drywall hole.
No, BB. It's the ones that you can get when you get holes in your drywall. Somebody puts a fist through it. We're going to show them how to do that drywall repair hole hack. Drywall hole repair hack.
Janine, why are we showing them how to repair a drywall hack?
Drywall hole repair hack? Because I have a hole in my laundry room ceiling that needs to be repaired. The supplies you will need are pictured here. If you'd like a more detailed list, check the description below or hop over to thehardhatbells.com.
Now, due to the wonderful magic of YouTube, I'll whisk you away to Janine's laundry room.
Phoebe, I know you are really curious to see my hole in the ceiling, so here's a close-up view for you.
Not so close. When was the last time you dusted up here? It's just one big hole from here. Was it just my small head?
Small head, big heart. Anyway, the first thing that you want to do is to measure the hole. Mine measured 4 inches.
Then you want to find 2 circular items in your home, one smaller and one about 2 inches larger than the hole. Now the scrap drywall has a smooth right side and a rough wrong side.
You want to take the smaller of the 2 dishes or items you picked, place it on the right side of the drywall and draw your circle. Next, grab the second dish, place it over the drawing of the first, and draw a circle around it. Perfection is not required.
Using the utility knife, cut around the large circular dish.
Now carefully take the plasterboard and where you've carved it, break it away gently, pulling away. Take the utility knife and slice the cardboard on the back side. And you'll do that all the way around. Now you're going to score around the outside of the inner circle as well. But we're not going to cut all the way through because part of the hack is keeping the cardboard on the back side intact. You will want to score around the outside of the circle to make it easier to break it off.
Now once Janine has finished breaking all those pieces off, that is going to have it all ready for us to use as the repair hack.
Since I have a popcorn ceiling here, I have already prepped the ceiling around the edge of the repair, making it like a flat ceiling. As you can see, this piece of drywall fits nicely into the ceiling hole. Take the joint compound and apply a 2-inch diameter around the outside of the hole, about 1/8 of an inch thick. You will also want to put some of the joint compound on your cut-out piece as well. Place the drywall circle you prepared into the hole and press around the 2-inch outer circle hard enough to cause some of the joint compound to squeeze out and smooth it over.
This drywall repair hole hack has helped Janine a lot, as she won't have to sand too much.
Since I have a popcorn type ceiling here in my laundry room, I will need to finish the repair with a popcorn compound later. Stay tuned until the end of this video to see some completed pictures.
You know, Janine, this drywall hole repair hack that we videotaped today, it kind of reminds me of a verse I just read.
Hold that thought. Remember, you guys, to get more detail, look down below this video or go to our blog site.
And you know, I want to have some encouragement for you guys today from 2 Corinthians 13:11. Finally, brothers and sisters, rejoice! Aim for restoration. Comfort one another. Agree with one another. Live in peace. And the God of love and peace will be with you.